In the time-lapse video, the sun slowly rises over the calm ocean, filling the sky with soft colors that change from pink to bright orange. The waves move gently toward the shore again and again, creating a peaceful pattern that looks even smoother in the fast-moving video. As the day continues, the clouds drift across the sky, making beautiful shapes, while their shadows slide over the sand. People appear and disappear quickly in the time lapse, walking along the beach, playing in the water, and enjoying the warmth. When the sun begins to set, the whole beach glows with golden light and the video ends.